Hi, I'm Tim Ritchie, CEO of Integrate IQ. I'm here today to share how and why our recruiting and staffing customers connect Avionté Bold with HubSpot. I'll address the benefits and realities of the integration in this video. If you're running a staffing agency, you probably have two systems at the center of your business: HubSpot on the sales side, Avionté Bold on the recruiting and operations side. And here's what I hear from almost every agency we talk to: those two systems don't talk to each other, which means your people do, manually. Think about what that actually looks like. A rep closes a deal. Now someone has to tell recruiting. Maybe it's a Slack message. Maybe it's an email. Maybe they just walk across the office. And by the time recruiting is actually spinning up the new client, you've already lost a day or two. In staffing, that matters. What we do is connect those systems so that handoff happens automatically. When a deal hits close one in HubSpot, a job order gets created in Avionté. Recruiting gets an alert. They know the client, they know what was sold, and they can start sourcing immediately. No lag, no data entry errors, no dropped balls. That one connection alone changes how fast you can move from a closed deal to a placed candidate. And it goes beyond just that trigger. The client profile that your sales team built in HubSpot, the company record, the contact, the notes, the contract details, all of that pushes into Avionté automatically. So when a recruiter opens that job order, they already know who they're working for and what was promised. They're not starting from scratch. We also bring data back the other way. Your sales team wants to know how the fulfillment went, how many positions were ordered, how many got filled, how long it took. Right now, most agencies can't answer that question from HubSpot because that data lives in Avionté. Once the integration is in place, it flows back. You can build dashboards in HubSpot that actually tell the whole story, from the first touch point all the way through placement. And for teams that have been keeping their prospects inside Avionté and want to move into a best-in-class CRM, we can handle that migration too. Get your prospects into HubSpot, work them through the sales process, and when they convert, they sync right back into Avionté. The bottom line is that sales and recruiting are supposed to be working together. But without a connection between these two systems, they're mostly just guessing about what the other team is doing. We fix that. If you want to talk through what it would look like for your agency, reach out.